Why?
My
Because my hands is itching.
Tito Ryan's gun, and we're in Jethro farm.
Okay na. Oh, did your mom allow you to go here?
Yeah?
Are you sure?
Oh, it's hot.
Huh?
Yeah. Because I don't want to try with the new gun, but I mean the real gun, but because I already tried that, but my ate is gonna try it because she didn't try it.
So you mean you were not try the new gun now?
Yeah, because
Real gun now?
because
So we're gonna go home na lang.
Because I already tried it.
So we'll go home na lang.
Okay, fine, I'll try it later. I'll try it later. Oh no, the brakes! I hate the brakes the most because the brakes is like so. Here's my ate.
Hi guys.
She
Hello.
has water because we need it if we're tired or it's hot. And I'm scared watching the person all the handle is hot.
The handle is?
It's hot.
Uh-huh.
Oh, it's so hot.
Wait.
So loud! It's not that scary, but it's loud. We have a mosquito bite. I forgot to put mosquito lotion. But Ate, did you put mosquito lotion?
Oh, it's father and daughter bonding? Huh?
Yeah.
Alright.
So nasty.
So we're in the, in the bridge.
No! I'm scared. That's not my favorite part. My favorite part is only scared. Oh God.
You're really scared in the bridge?
Yeah, because just to watch them. At least it's just fast.
Uh-huh.
No, Mommy. Just move now. Move now. You scared? Move now. You're so nasty.
Swiggly.
That's what they say when I'm scared.
What?
That's what they say when I'm scared.
Uh-huh.
Like in the happy thing, I always do that. Like she's already here. Excuse me, can you move that?
You okay now? Are you okay now? Yon, very good. See target. Yan, very good. See target.
Lean forward, upper stand, lean forward. Okay, if you see the target. Did you see that?